Yeah, completely chill. Holy shit, brother. Fucking Noah just completely annoyed. Yeah, buddy.
Okay, I'm happy with that. That was good.
Oh yeah. Fuck yeah.
Hi guys.
What's up, guys?
Hey, follow my YouTubes.
Wait,
Yeah, that's good to hear, man. After it's done, I will upload every.
Yes.
so rough.
We're not doing anything.
Flipping flips.
We're not doing
shite.
anything. It's everybody
Welcome
else
to
doing
Melbourne.
everything.
We're in Frankston and we're throwing stuff off. I mean, not me. These fucking.
Nice.
On the side? Towards the water. Oh, nice. Perfect.
First 2 weeks should be like because then that's so hard game. By the end of it. Cool. Cork of a ledge.
Oh! Oh! That's so good! Jumps back. And the red one jumps back too. Very nice. Very nice.
Alright, sweet. I'm back here at Apes for the gym. Alright, I've got this. I'm happy with that.
Did you get that one?
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sammy boy. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Yeah, that's funny. Oh my days. Magsaysay. Welcome to my vlog. These are the G's. The party line and G. Oh, sure. Alright, so I've just passed the intramus and I'm going no center. I somehow made it back safely and I'm with the family. Hi. What's the guy?
Okay lang.
Oh. Somehow, how you going, bro?
Ayun sila. English or Spanish?
Wait. Yeah. Alright, see you. Thank you, Auntie. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome. Good.
Ha? Day, itry mo na lang, di na kami sasakay. Lakad mo? Gamay-gamay na. Oo.
Salamat. Salamat. Thank you, Auntie.
Welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Mar. Appreciate the help. Thank you. Easy.
Enjoy your vacation.
That's not my bowl.
What?
That's Carlos's.
It's Carlos.
Yeah. I'll see you in Australia. Is this you guys?
Yung mga ito.
What? Venom.
Saan to Venom?
Spider-Man and Turkman.
Both be Spider-Man.
Spider-Man and Turkman got trapped. But how are you still alive?
Look.
What's up, bro? Oh, my day's a double. Yes, G! Yes! Yes!
Yeah. Push. Oh!
If you live in Australia and you know what these are, oh my days. Run.
together we play.
It's looking so much. It is. It's actually pretty dope here. Somehow the black.
Harry, calm
You
down.
was helping.
No, you weren't.
What are you doing?
We seem to get the closest when we just beat jump. The dumber the better. That's always.
Sail.
Dumber? Dumber the better.
I have one state.
Mate, how much you been drinking? I'm a fucking
Ninja. I don't know what you're talking
How
about.
much have you been going?
I dodged like
How many?
things just now. Dodged Rico, your phone.
Yep. That's it. That's. I think it is.
Oh!
Go, Rico! He hit it.
I'll rate the bicycle, yeah.
I'm happy. You never use the runner.
Get there!
Use the runner now. Hands on the out. You're not even in the fucking circle, mate.
I'm just in case. Why you go? Just in case.
He's the runner.
Harry, get there.
Where were ya?
Where were you? Get there!
That's a big one.
That's my face.
Whoa!
Dude, I can't wait until someone catches the most heinous trick to the face.
Other people want to play too. This is.
Yes, boys. Alright, cool. My days. All good? Yeah, I'd do that.
I don't remember where it was, but we got a bunch of resi material, like mats.
Yeah?
So we're gonna make a resi out of it.
Oh, nice.
Eventually, I'm organized.
incredible. Cool.
I've been working on this trick for years. Ready?
I just kept saying the same shit.
Whose is this?
It's Dim's.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't realise you were here.
Are you videoing?
Doing that one. I'm doing this one. I'm doing that
All
one.
of them, you'll be like, I want it perfect.
No. This one's gonna be where I'm fully backwards already. I'm not, and then it's a layout backflip.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Nice.
That looks so cool.
Damn.